Good evening. Flicking the camera on. I just want to do a video in response to a comment that I got, not from one of my videos, but from commenting on another video. And I made a comment about snakes being quite smart, but up to living with 2-year-olds virtually every day. Actually, I think my snakes can be better behaved than a lot of 2-year-olds. They get the no before most 2-year-olds get, put it that way. But Lily has been out since not early this morning, like the other day, but certainly early enough. I was off to the doctor, so I didn't get her out until I got back, which would have been about 11, and it's now currently 7 p.m. 7 a.m. Oh my goodness. And believe me, I'm tired, but I think it's time that Lily went home. Now, I think the comment that I got from my comment was, "I don't believe you." Now, I made mention of them being able to hear our voices, and that they get to know our voices and who we are, who that voice belongs to, and they get to know their name. And so Anoix, I think was the person's name. I've asked him to come and have a look at a few of my videos, but this one I specifically wanted to do to sort of not prove a point, but to say, hang on a minute, I tell it like I've seen it. I don't tell it if I've never seen it or experienced it. Lily, at this particular point, trust me, she knows I'm standing up here. She'll also be thinking and knowing it's time for me to go home, because this is what I do. If she's up here, been up here all day, and it's beautiful and warm up here, much cooler down low, so perfect for her to be comfortable up there all day, mind you. But do snakes respond to their name? Well, let's see. If anything, at this particular point, I might put in, Lily's going to ignore me, because Lily thinks that if she ignores me and she doesn't acknowledge me, maybe I'll go, maybe, just maybe, I'll go away and leave her alone. This is, and you might say, oh well, she can see your movement, and so that's the end of the story. Lily, I can see you. Hey. Hey. Yes, it's me. It's Mum. Over here, yes. Can you hear me? Can you hear me at all? Yes? Yes, hello. Hello, Lily. How you doing, darling? Is that a bit blurry? Sorry. Yes, it's Mum. How you doing, darling? Yes, okay, she may have sensed it, but she also knows me. She knows that I'm calling her name. She's not turning her head to look at the plant. She's turning her head to look at me. She's not even looking at the camera, if you really want to take a good look at it. At this particular point, she's saying, what? What? Do I have to go home? Really? Is it that time of the day already? Hey, come on. You ready to go home? I would really like you to come home. No, I haven't touched her. I haven't gone anywhere near her. I'm probably a good, I would say, foot away from her at this particular point, and my face and my mouth is a good 2.5 odd feet away from my girl. Yes, they can sense vibration. Absolutely. That isn't what Lily was responding to. How you doing? Hey, you coming home? Can you come home with Mum, please? Now, she's looking at the camera. Now, I'm touching her. Hey. And touch will for Lily mean going home. So, yes, she can hear me. Yes, she also knows her name. And she responds. Jack. 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 Okay? Nothing. But look. Did you call me? Yeah, I called you. Absolutely did call you, buddy. I called his name. That's what I did. I didn't open his door. He heard me calling his name. That's an example of Jack knowing I'm calling him. What do you want? What's up? What's happening? What's going on? That's another example of your snakes knowing their name. Lily. Lily Lou. Hello. Are you asleep? Lily? Hey. But hey. Hello. Lily. What are you doing? What? She can feel that I'm here? That there's some vibration? Oh no, it's the vibration of my voice. Not responding to the fact that she knows me and she knows the sound of my voice or the sound of her own name. Hello. I hate the light in this particular enclosure because it flickers and it's horrible. But I'll open the door, and of course, you know, she's very used to that happening in her life as well. Lily, the lighting in here is terrible to do a video with you, sweetie. Hey? Now she may have not lifted her head up and looked directly at me, but she's acknowledged the fact that she heard me. Hey, you can hear me, can't you? You know who I'm talking to. Just like Jack does, hey? So, when you think that if you don't repetitively say something to your snakes, and especially their name, that they don't get to know it, then you're wrong. Because they do. So, I hope you enjoy, you know, me trying to show you as best I can. It is much better done outside, of course. Then you can really see, because I'm quite a distance away from them when I call out to them and they respond to me calling out to them. And I'm not yelling. It's not like I'm yelling at them, but they certainly know. And that recognition is my name has been spoken. So I'll try and put a video together with Lily and Jack just to show that I do believe they respond to our names. Hey Jack, you're a bit blurry there, bud. She hasn't lifted me up, which means I don't have to go home. Not yet, but very soon. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, and your snakes, and give them a little bit more credit than what I think a lot of you don't give them credit for. And all your animals as well. Ciao.